Hey guys, and Assalamualaikum. How are you? How everything going on? Macam mana you all cope with the new normal? Okay, I know it's been a while. Macam dah lama dah tak buat video kan? Okay, dia ada sebab kenapa Kak Hana dah lama tak buat video. Nombor satu, sebabnya I need to keep money. I need to save, okay? And second one, my handphone dah rosak, okay? So, I didn't have my own handphone. Right now, I'm using tab. I'm using a Huawei tab. So, dia punya tab tu, you all faham lah how big it is. So, susah nak buat video. So, I'm using other people's phone right now. I'm pinjam phone orang. So, because this time is quite special. Okay, I'm not talking about this squishy. This one is just macam hiasan dekat sini lah. Sebab okay, I just want to take the opportunity sebab sekarang ni ke Gula Pop dia ada jual Bunny's Cafe punya squishy and that is really cheap. This one I didn't buy from Gula Pop because tak tahu kata Gula Pop. Gula Pop dia ada lot of surprise. So I just kalau tahulah kata Gula Pop nak bawa Bunny's Cafe, mesti Hana tak akan belilah daripada seller lain. So boleh katakan okay, dia punya price pun quite cheap sekarang. So if you are interested to buy squishy from this squishy, especially this squishy from Google Pop, so go and check her out. Okay, sekarang because okay, I decided to do long video sebab I have a special package which is my ultra Magnus squishy wishlist. So memang dah lama dah cari about this squishy, so that's why I decided to do long video because I would like to give an honor, penghormatan kepada squishy ni yang dah lama dah saya cari, dah lama dah Kak Hana cari, so that's why I really want it. So I have 2 box over here. Ada 2. Okay, I will show it right now, but before that, just want to show to you. If you are interested to buy squishy, this squishy, you can search it from Google Pop, okay? Tak fokus buat tu lah. Bukan kamera sendiri, dia macam tak faham sikit. Okay, sedih lah. So, I'm sekarang ni tengah cari apa handphone yang sesuai lah nak beli. So, okay. This is my also wishlist juga, tapi dah dapat, alhamdulillah. I got it only RM25 masa tu QT District dia buat sales. So yeah, daripada first harga masa first time I saw it's around RM75 and now it dropped to 25. So I'm super happy to get it. So yeah, without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, this is the first box and this is the second box. Yep, I got 2 box. Actually, this one dah lama, that is really overdue punya haul. I think in July or in August, tapi super busy, so I decided not to do it yet. And then I just want to give whether I really want to do a short video, a 1-minute video, or just a long video like this, or do I want to upload it in YouTube? I don't know, I just think a lot at that time. So sampai dah nak berabuk dah semua kotak ni. So okay, I have 2 box and this one is from both box, yeah. Both box is actually from, if you can see it clearly over here, it's from Cuties by Fisha. Ya, Kak Fisha. Ya, Kak Fisha yang hantar 2 kotak ni 2 bulan lepas. Dia pun macam weird, kenapa tak buat lagi haul, tak buat lagi unboxing. So okay, right now I'm doing it. Okay, I started with this box, okay, because yang ni yang datang dulu, and then this is the second one. So first thing first, I just want to say thank you Fisha for melayan kerana Kak Hana ni yang nak tu, and I'm really thankful because you decided to bring this squishy. This is actually special request, yeah. So I feel so glad. I just feel so bersyukur, really grateful ada kawan macam Fisha. Thank you very much. Okay, because akhirnya after several years searching, I got it. Okay, nak tahu apa? Okay, kita tengok dulu. Okay, so I just want to give a special moment for Fisha. So kalau you all nak squishy, go and check her out. Okay, Cuties by Fisha. Kalau you all boleh tengok kat sini, ni tak nampak sangat. Okay, Cuties by Fisha. Okay, you go to her channel, go to her IG, Cuties by Fisha, so you can see her shop, and then there are lots of squishies, so go and check it out. Okay, let's go check this one. Okay, this is the boxes. Okay, box ni memang I just love it. Thank you very much for the sturdy box. I just love how you take care of my squishy. Thank you very much. So quite macam surprised because dia ada dapat box ni kan, suddenly dia macam terbuka sikit kan. I think memang terus laju dia check lah kan, but I just really hope yang dia tak hilang lah barang-barang dia. And then I can see here, look at this. This is Koya. Koya is my favorite character from BT21. Actually, I'm not ARMY. I appreciate their music. Okay, I love listening to their music, but I'm not ARMY. And then I love BT21 not because of they are BTS, but because Koya is so cute. Okay, so I'm not ARMY. Okay, I just want to make it clear, but I just appreciate them so much. And then as an artist, they are really good. So I love listening to their song, and I love BT21 because they are so damn cute. And this is my favorite character. Okay, alright, let's open it together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just hope that I didn't destroy anything. This I just adore it so much. Look at that Koya, so cute. Oops. This one kucing kak suddenly dia macam mengganas. I think because he's jantan, so maybe dia macam mengganas sikit. But right now is mating season kan, macam dia tak boleh tengok lah kucing jantan lain datang dalam kawasan. So kawasan kak macam lots of kucing datang juga, just datang melawat kawasan, and then dia macam tak suka lah kan. So dia tengok kucing lain, and then suddenly dia cakap. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, ada plastik ya, as you can see. Plastik, ada kertas over here, as you can see there. Sneak peek ya. Sneak peek. Ta-da! Yes. OMG, oh my god, it looks so cantik in person, guys. And then look at the packaging. It's so simple but yet elegant. They have lots of flowers over here. Wow, oh my god, the smells. I can smell the scented. So scented. So they have warning over here. What the warning says: note that holes may appear in the surface of the product. These holes are merely part of the manufacturing and it is not a defect. Baik. Yeah, I really understand all that. Ada setengah certain squishy collector, so-called squishy collector yang so fussy, yang macam complain, defected. Hello, you have to make a effort to read more about the manufacturing defect. Okay, it's a manufacturing defect, guys, bukannya defect yang koyak macam tu kan. So you have to really understand that. Jangan semuanya pergi attack seller, kata here and there. Oh my god, it's so cantik. Wow, nak buka pun sayang tau. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So kita squish dulu through packaging. Okay, what? The strawberries over here. Say what? OMG. Bau strawberry dia sangat kuat dia guys. So strong. Scented is so strong. So I really sorry kalau you guys memang tak prefer video panjang, but I really want to take this opportunity. I just want to record everything, every moment, ya guys. So tengok sikit lah. So wow, look at the detail over here, and then this got this like pearl manik, something like that, and then this. OMG, look at the color. Look at the color. Come on, it's gonna focus over here. Look at the color, guys. And I am sucks with rainbow color. If anything related with rainbow, I will grab it. Because I just love the color. Okay, let's take time to admire this squishy. Do you have any box over here? There you go. Focus, focus. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. And do you have any Ibloom? Yes. This is Ibloom. Ibloom mark over here. Oh wow. Let's squish it, shall we? This Ibloom, did they have any years? I think, I don't know. It is in the book, the Ibloom book. In this book they have it, but I'm not sure what keluaran this squishy is. So dengan masa pengeluaran dia, I'm not sure. Tapi kat sini, do you think I can really check it? Oh, not this one. This one is shortcake. Princess. Oh my god, my hand smells like strawberry. I know, like I'm eating strawberry jam right now. Where is that? Where is the princess shortcake? Princess, you, where are you? I think it's really in here. Just don't know which page is it. Yes, this one. So it's a princess shortcake, but I am not really. Is it written here? I don't know whether it's written here or not, but I can't see any number over here. Yeah, this one. It's 2017, guys. If you can see here, yeah, December 2017. So 2018, 2019, it's already 30 pula. 3 years. Oh, wow, 3 years dah. So masa ni dia punya quality not that slow rising, tapi I'm so satisfied sebab sekarang ni lagi slow rising kan. So yeah. So another box is also this one. This box is also something from here as well. I just bought it from here too. Nak bagi clue kan, sini lah kot. You can search which one that I bought. Teka. Okay. Oh wow. Thank you, Fisher, for fulfilling my wish. Just wow. Itu macam Kak Mimi cakap lah kan, kalau quality macam ni, not that slow rising, dia tak cepat wrinkle. So I'm agree with her, sebab banyak produk yang especially yang Ibloom, yang Lele, macam that kind of brand, dia terlalu slow rising sampai wrinkle, sampai dah tak boleh nak manageable. letak mana pun kan dia terus macam penyek macam tu. Sekarang ni like this one is a good quality one, tak terlalu terrorizing, it's good enough. And then taklah cepat hancur sangat kan, macam sekarang ni punya Ibloom picit sikit dah macam dah defect here and there. So yeah, nak cari lubang-lubang mana dia kata ada lubang. Maybe this one ke di manufacturing defect kan, tapi this one is diamond, so that's why. However, anyhow, okay, that is my first Ibloom. I mean from this package. Ta-da! Okay, next. Okay, this is not Ibloom, but I buy something from Fisher. As you already know, Fisher is an artist, so she so she draw this, and I fall in love with her drawing, so I decided to buy it. So this is my second item that I purchased from Fisher, from her handmade artwork. So I just love it so much. Look at the detail, guys. I just can't understand how she does like this. Kemas dengan cantik, and then so vibrant the color. I just can't understand. Ada setengah orang tu memang berbakat gila like her, sangat berbakat. So I'm so appreciate all of her. So obviously I didn't buy this for squishy, I buy it for the artwork. It's just so cantik, so nice, so beautiful, pretty plus beautiful, anything, apa saja nak cakap. Just wow. So look at that koyak, oh my god, so cute. And then this fan over here, and then this one is Cookie, Chimmy, RJ, and Shuki. Tata. And then this one is BT21. And then, yeah, this is her trademark, Kitties by Fisher. I don't want to open it because she sealed it so nicely. Okay. Then she's using this Kuramoto brand Ayama Tokyo Squishy bread, slice of bread. Yeah, and then she's also come with this ball chain. Thank you, Fisher. Love you, mama. Just put it here because I just want this my room diselubungi oleh bau strawberry. And then she gave me extra. That's cute. Thank you. I have Koya, and this one is RJ. So I already have Koya, and thank you. New collection, new edition for my collection. Thank you. And her logo sticker, and also Cloud 9 sweets. This one is caramel, and the other one is what? Iced lemon tea. Dan ada lagi? Ada. Thank you, Fisher. Thank you. Nak bubuk ke? Nak tinggal kat sini? Simpan je lah. Nanti bau dia hilang, sayang. And look at that, the bag, the design. Wow. Nice. So we continue with the second box. Okay, dah dapat teka dah. Saya beli squishy apa? Nak beli squishy apa? Okay, look at the box. It is most sturdy, and thank you very much for this sticker, Fragile Handle Care. So this one dia tak buka, post laju tak buka, so grateful lah. At least tak ada apa yang hilang kan. So let's open it up together. You guys okay ke? Tengok video lama-lama. Okay. I'll try my best to make it short as possible. Tapi dah nampak dah ada apa. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting. Cha-cha! Yes, I've got these 3 fat pancake. This is my ultimate mega wish list, guys. So alhamdulillah, thank you Cutie Bafisha, I'm so grateful. So kita tak cukup tak muat screen, guys. Okay. Oh my god, this one pun bau dia, scented dia, wow. This one scented, bread dia kuat gila, kot macam nak makan. This one is chocolate and this one is strawberry. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at the Toby, nak nangis. Alhamdulillah. Ni apa yang kau nak install lagi? Tengok tu. Look at that. How gemuk it is. Gebu, guys. Gemuk dan gebu. So I have 2 cats right now. Of course lah. My 2 cats yang dekat luar tu, and then I've got these 3. Ni kucing palsu lah. Yang kat luar tu yang original punya, yang real kucing. Yang cakap-cakap ni. Look at the face. Okay, we check another one, guys. Okay. So this is the butter one. Dah lupa nama apa, tapi butter lah kan. Kenapa boleh baca kat sini? Yeah, this one. I bought this 3. Tak ada nama lah pula kan. Aku tak tahu nama apa. Nama dia datang. Okay, again, this one is butter, this one is chocolate, and this one is strawberry. Tak sure nama apa. Komen dulu kalau kata tahu nama. Okay, we check with the butter one. Okay, packaging 3 sama. And this one is a Mush product. Bila Ibloom 17 karakter, so they have this kind of brand called Mush. That is a wish place to go. Memang plan dengan Kak Mini nak pergi Japan this year, tapi kita hanya mampu merancang sahaja. So yeah, this one is a collaboration between Ibloom and Mush. Mush and Tokyo, Mush, Ibloom Tokyo and Mush. So they also have this warning. Okay, oh, but this warning is different. It says, come on, focus guys, focus. Tak mau fokus pula. Susah lah kamera, bukan kamera kita, bukan handphone kita. Please note, this product might form a dent after squeezing it firmly, but it will return to its original shape after a few minutes. Ini mesti orang yang tak faham squishy tu apa. Ya Allah, sampai jumpa sekali kena buat punya warning. Dia tak faham. Dia rasa benda ni takkan mana dia kenapa tak datang balik. Ya Allah, I just can't believe it. Ada juga manusia macam tu sampai dia kena buat warning macam tu. My goodness. Maybe sebab I think this one tahu bila. Kalau kata yang tadi tu nyanyi tahu bila. Nyanyi kat page dia sendiri lah, ataupun letak kat sini macam. So macam dah lama-lama dah kan. Nyanyi supposed to be the new product. So macam dah lama-lama dah, bila dah ke belakang ni. Salah. I don't know what year is. This one. Okay. Nyanyi also. Oh, mana dia? Princess dengan penyanyi hanya tua sebulan je. So nyanyian pancake is in nyanyian pancake is in 2017. Yeah, that is it. In 2017. Makna dia nyanyian pancake ni tua sebulan daripada Princess Shortcake. Princess Shortcake in 2012. Yeah. 2012. In month of December 12. Month of December. Nyanyian is month of November. Okay, let's check it out. Kita check dulu dengan butter. So the packaging, tiga packaging sama saja. Nyan pancake. This one is called nyan pancake. So kita nak open dia. Oh shit. Oh my god, si gemuk ni. Then you got this Ibloom bison down there. Dia penuh pun. And dia punya smell bau roti yang sangat kuat. And look at that tail, how well the design is. And then those two beans, kacang-kacang ni. Gemuknya. There. Kena pegang dua tangan. Okay. Mana tadi box tadi? Mana box tadi? Ya. There you go. Okay. Tepi macam. Fokus. Hilang fokus pula. Okay. Tepi macam. Tak comel. Kena tengok. And then the butter bagi dia. It smells so good. Besar packaging dia. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next. Okay, kita strawberry dulu. Oh, yang ni bau strawberry macam Princess Shortcake. So cute. Color pun cantik. And then of course lah, quality TikTok. What do you expect from Ibloom kan? This is, and then dia dengar bunyi macam tu, dia punya angin dia. Look at that. Just love the face. Just love everything. Just love everything, okay? Last look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, go to chocolate. chocolate one. Wow. Bau macam coklat Cadbury tu. I got this Ibloom over here, number 2. Baru perasan semua tu colour sama Oh. Ingat ke kalau colour pink, they will put pink. So the same. I love it. Right now my room smells like Milo. Bau coklat yang sangat strong. There you go. Super cute. Super duper love. Just love it so much. It smells again. Kali nak smell. Ciu. Ciu piu piu piu. Fokus, tak nak fokus pula. Ya. Alright, C10. Lepas ni. Now we go. Tak boleh lah, tempat sempit. So kita balik. We go to my next purchase item. Bukan item lah, tapi something from Pretty's by Tisha. Is this Sinchan yang I already searched for it for ages. Alhamdulillah, Tisha ada offer, and then without box, but I don't care about the box. So Alhamdulillah, cantik sangat because it's rainbow. Memang it's just a rainbow. Just a soap smell. Baunya wangi. I don't know what soap smell. Just a pleasant smell. Yeah, Chocobee. The next is this. It's a poly cat roll from Popular Boxes. Sebelum ni Mimi ada offer for birthday present whether I want this one or the sushi one, so I decided to get the sushi one. So this one I buy it from Fisha. So you have this acrylic kitchen over here. So she have two designs. This one is the one that I have, and then this one is the, I don't know, the coconut scented. I think coconut scented this one. So she have both. I decided to buy this one, only this one, because I already spent a lot on buying Ibloom squishy, so I have to make a choice. So this one also have this strawberry scented, but kind of different strawberry scented from the Ibloom one. However, it's really pleasant smell, bukan yang bau yang tak menyenangkan. It's really pleasant. Macam mana dia duduk atas cake roll? Kalau logik lah kan. how big is this cake roll? Tapi hamster pun bukan besar mana pun kan. So yeah, this is a hamster. It smells, yeah, strawberry scented. Tail over here, and then the color over here. Got the cheeky smile. Yep. And then got this ball chain inside here, and also with phone plug and this acrylic tag. Oh, it's a rubber tag. It's a transparent rubber tag. It's not that rubber thingy like a magnet, fish magnet. And it's a type tag. Alright, moving on. So that's what I buy from her, and she gave me an extra. So I have this. Oh, it's a good special for you. Look at that. Thank you very much, Fisha. Oh my god, you're such a good-hearted person. Tak boleh fokus. Right. And she gave me this one. Is the latest version of Polish sponge finger. I'm not really fancy with Polish sponge, but it's what color is this? It's a rainbow color. So thank you very much. It's so cute. Polly is such a cute character. Thank you so much. Thank you for the extra. And lastly, she gave me this Cadbury hot chocolate drink, 3-in-1. It's been a while drink hot chocolate drink. Last kali I think during my study years in 2006 or 2007 like that. 2006, macam dah berapa puluh tahun dah, sekarang 2020 kan. Macam dah berkurun dah tak terminum. Thank you. Masa study years, masa buat assignment, memang selalu minum hot chocolate. Orang lain semua minum Nescafe, but I cannot tolerate with Nescafe. Mesti pening kepala. So I'm the only one yang buy, yang minum hot chocolate drink. Diorang kata manis ya Hana. I just love sweet things. And of course she gave me this. Oh, she got a note over here. This one's new. Thank you for supporting Kitty by Fisha. You're most welcome, Fisha. Such a generous person like you. And then some stickers and also some candies. Gula-gula. So yeah, that's all. Dekat 40 minit je guys. So I try to make it short as possible bila editing. So yeah, kita recap balik what did I buy. The first is this princess shortcake that I already put back in the packaging. And then second one is this this one is this BT21 stickers for the handmade deco squishy. Lupa pula kata handmade pula. Deco squishy and the third one nyanyan. Next is this poly, and also this. And extra is this thumbnail. Tapi I'm not going to put this as thumbnail. Tak surprise lah kan. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Love you so much. Bye bye.